Module 5, E-commerce Marketing. Developing an e-commerce marketing strategy. Developing an e-commerce marketing strategy is essential for driving traffic, increasing conversions, and ultimately growing your online business. Here are some key steps to consider when developing an e-commerce marketing strategy. 1. Define your marketing objectives. Start by setting clear and measurable marketing objectives for your e-commerce business. These objectives could include increasing website traffic, improving conversion rates, growing sales, expanding customer base, or enhancing brand awareness. Your marketing strategy should align with these objectives and guide your overall marketing efforts. 2. Identify your target audience. Understanding your target audience is critical for effective marketing. Identify who your ideal customers are, their demographics, preferences, interests, and online behavior. This information will help you tailor your marketing messages and tactics to resonate with your target audience and drive better results. 3. Conduct market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify market trends, competitive landscape, and customer needs. This information will help you identify opportunities and develop strategies to gain a competitive edge in the market. 4. Choose the right marketing channels. There are numerous marketing channels available for e-commerce businesses, including social media, email marketing, search engine marketing, SEM, content marketing, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, and more. Choose the marketing channels that align with your target audience and marketing objectives, and create a cohesive marketing plan that leverages multiple channels to reach and engage with your customers effectively. 5. Develop a compelling brand and messaging. Your brand and messaging play a crucial role in differentiating your e-commerce business from competitors and resonating with your target audience. Develop a compelling brand identity, including your logo, colors, fonts, and tone of voice. Create clear and consistent messaging that conveys your unique value proposition and appeals to your target audience. 6. Optimize your website for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential for improving your website's visibility on search engines and driving organic traffic. Optimize your website structure, content, and meta tags to make it search engine friendly and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building are some key aspects of SEO that should be incorporated into your marketing strategy. 7. Create engaging content. Content marketing is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses. Create high-quality, engaging, and relevant content that provides value to your target audience. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Share your content across various channels to drive traffic, build brand authority, and engage with your audience. 8. Utilize social media marketing. Social media platforms are effective channels for reaching and engaging with your target audience. Create and maintain a strong presence on relevant social media platforms and develop a social media marketing plan. This may include posting engaging content, running targeted ads, engaging with customers, and leveraging user-generated content. Social media can also be used for customer service, brand advocacy, and community building. 9. Implement email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing customer relationships, driving repeat purchases, and increasing customer loyalty. Implement an email marketing strategy that includes personalized and segmented email campaigns, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and newsletters. Focus on building a quality email list, creating compelling content, and optimizing your email campaigns for better open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. 10. Monitor, analyze, and optimize. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your marketing efforts using relevant metrics and data. This will help you identify what works and what doesn't, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategies. Adjust your marketing tactics, messages, and channels based on the insights gained from data analysis to continually improve your e-commerce marketing strategy. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing a website's content, structure, and other elements to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. SEO is important for e-commerce businesses as it helps to drive organic, non-paid traffic to their website, increase visibility in search engine results, and ultimately attract more potential customers. Here are some key aspects of SEO for e-commerce. 1. Keyword research. Conduct keyword research to identify the search terms and phrases that your target audience is using to search for products or services similar to what you offer. Use keyword research tools to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords strategically in your website's content, meta tags, URLs, and other relevant areas to optimize your website for search engines. 2. On-page optimization. Optimize your website's on-page elements, including titles, headings, meta descriptions, and URLs, with relevant keywords. Create unique and descriptive title tags and meta descriptions for each page, and use headers, H1, H2, H3, etc., to structure your content logically. Use descriptive URLs that include relevant keywords to make it easy for search engines and users to understand what your page is about. 3. High-quality, unique content. Create high-quality, unique, and engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Search engines favor websites that offer valuable and relevant content. Regularly update your content and add new, fresh content to keep your website relevant and appealing to both users and search engines. 4. Mobile optimization. Mobile optimization is crucial as more and more users are accessing the internet and making purchases through mobile devices. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and responsive, with easy navigation, fast loading times, and a seamless user experience on mobile devices. Google also prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in its search rankings, so mobile optimization is essential for SEO success. 5. Technical SEO. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website to improve its search engine visibility. This includes ensuring that your website has proper URL structure, sitemap, robots.txt file, and is free from crawl errors, broken links, duplicate content, and other technical issues. Properly configure your website's metadata, canonical tags, and other technical elements to ensure that search engines can crawl and index your website effectively. 6. User experience. UX user experience is an important factor in SEO, as search engines prioritize websites that offer a positive user experience. Ensure that your website is easy to navigate, has clear and logical site structure, and provides a seamless and enjoyable user experience. This includes fast loading times, easy checkout process, clear product descriptions, and user-friendly search functionality. 7. Link building. Link building is the process of obtaining high-quality and relevant inbound links from other websites to your e-commerce site. High-quality, authoritative links from reputable websites can improve your website's authority, credibility, and search engine rankings. Implement a link building strategy that includes outreach to relevant websites, guest blogging, social media promotion, and other link building techniques to improve your website's link profile. 8. Social media integration. Social media can play a significant role in SEO for e-commerce businesses. Social media signals, such as likes, shares, comments, and mentions, can indicate the popularity and relevance of your website's content, which can impact your search engine rankings. Integrate social media into your SEO strategy by creating shareable content, engaging with your audience on social media, and promoting your website's content on social media platforms. 9. Local SEO. If your e-commerce business has a physical location or serves specific geographic areas, local SEO is important. Optimize your website for local search by including your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, on your website, creating and optimizing your Google